What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our current build that we have going on. We got a couple quick updates for you today. Let you know a decision that we made, and you can kind of see it hiding over my shoulder there, but are those really there? Figment of my imagination? We actually do. There are stairs installed. Of course, they're not done. Still got to get that done. That's all got to get wrapped. Once that's wrapped, then there's trim boards that go up the side, under there, bull nose needed there, bull nose there. You need the newel post there, newel post there, hand railings, balusters, all things stairs. But hey, at least they're there and I can actually see them. I guess that makes me kind of happy. But he was supposed to be here last night to finish them last Thursday, last Wednesday. You get it. You guys have heard my frustrations on this enough. I just want them done. So it's actually now more pressing than before to get these stairs done and get the hand railings in, because without that, we can't get certificate of occupancy. And that's kind of really important now because we have the house sold. It's under contract. We mentioned to you guys on the last video that we thought we might be getting somewhere close with somebody who had been to the house 3 times. Turns out we were. We hashed out a deal a few days back, and we're trying to have it wrapped up by the end of the month. Right now it's the beginning of February. So things like stairs and railings are kind of important. And then, you know, as well for certificate of occupancy, you gotta have all your plumbing in, all your fixtures, all your lights, no exposed wires anywhere, hand railings in, blower door test done, energy diagnostics done. All of that has to be done. And then you can apply for your certificate of occupancy. Then they'll come out, they'll inspect the house, make sure everything's good, give you a green tag, give you this little sheet that says your house is good for somebody to live in. At that point, a bank or a mortgage company will actually lend on the property and close the loan. Without that, no closing. So we're close. And we're done with decision making at this point since now it's sold. So they are picking out what they want for backsplash. They're gonna let us know that this week. And then on the last video, we talked to you guys about the beam in the great room, and we finished building it. It's up there, way up there. I think it looks really good, and we made a decision on that. So I know only one of you commented about it should be stain. We kind of agree, so we grabbed a couple samples, and of course GoPros don't do the best of rendering, and we think that the golden oak is gonna look really good up there. It's very close to the color of the white oak that's on the stairs. It's just a min wax finish, nothing custom. So that's gonna be done this week. And then we can hang that big old monster 84-inch fan up there and start getting the rest of the light fixtures in. And then we've already talked about it. You know, we've got light fixtures in here that have to go in, some other small stuff. We've got closet organizers going in next week. And then we've got something that got put in 2 days ago that I really like. Now, mind you, it's not painted around it yet, but we have glass for the shower. And you'll notice kind of here, you don't have that green hue to the glass. So it turns out you can spend extra money and get a polished glass, and it gets rid of that green look. And of course they charge you like an extra 600 bucks for it, but I felt that that's what this house needed, so that's what we ordered. And then we've got, these are, I don't think I've showed you this. These are going to be the faucets for the bathrooms. We got a Delta, and we did the black with the brushed gold for the handles. I think that'll play well with all the other accents that are in the house, with the counters, with the cabinets. I think they're gonna look good. I'm excited to get there. The other thing I wanna see is a functioning fireplace. They're supposed to be here hopefully this week to get that thing up and running, make sure everything's good with it. And man, that makes me think, I completely forgot. I need to mount the gas valve for that. I mean, the valve's there. I just have to put the decorative trim ring and then the little key handle that actually turns the valve on and off. Making the video kind of helped me on that one. Add that to my to-do list for the week. So that's kind of the update for today. Thank you guys for coming along, checking this out. Hope you're liking this one. And if you haven't yet, check out the series where we're gonna walk you through building a house start to finish, all the way from land selection to engineering, design, ground break, all the construction side of it, all the way to completion. We've started putting those videos up. We're actually gonna be breaking ground on that project hopefully next month, so long as Mother Nature cooperates. We actually filed for the permits for that today. So probably in the next couple episodes, you'll be caught up to where we are today, and then you'll be in real time as we finish building it. So thank you all for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.